everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking. So today I'm going to solve the dilemma this holiday season when someone asks you to bring a dessert to a get-together. We're going to make coconut cream pie in a jiffy. Let's go. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is get your pie crust. Now this is a frozen pie crust that we had in the freezer. You're going to want to par bake it for 10 minutes or until it is nice and brown. This is the great thing about this. You can also use a graham cracker crust, which doesn't require any baking whatsoever. However, I love this pie crust, so into the oven it's going to go. The next thing we're going to want to do is toast our coconut. So I have half a cup of coconut here. I'm just going to throw it on a baking sheet and get it into the same oven and let it toast a little bit. And it should just take a couple minutes. Just watch it. As soon as you start to see it turn brown, get that bad boy out of there. There we go. All right, now that your pie crust is cooked and cooled and your coconut is toasted, let's move on to the filling. So I have a bowl here. We're gonna add 2 cups of cold milk, 2 packages of vanilla pudding, and now we're gonna whisk that or use our hand mixer for 2 minutes. Now we're gonna stir in 1 cup of whipped topping. Now you don't want to use your beaters because you actually want to keep some of the light and fluffiness of this. Now you're going to notice right away that your pudding mixture has gotten really thick, and that's perfect. Now we're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened, untoasted coconut. All right, you guys, this pie is just about done. Bring back your cooled crust, and we're going to pour this all into the prepared crust. And then we're going to use our spatula here and we're just going to smooth it out. And once it's smooth, it's going to go into the refrigerator for 4 hours. And because of movie magic, welcome back. And now our pie is completely firm and it is chilled and ready to be topped. So I have some more of this whipped topping here. And I have it in a piping bag. You don't have to put it in a piping bag. You can just smear it on. But in a piping bag makes it look so professional. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the center and I'm just going to put some dollops all over my pie. Look at how beautiful in just seconds. Now comes the final bit. We're going to take our toasted coconut and we are going to sprinkle it all over. You guys, no one would ever know. They wouldn't even suspect that it took you 3 minutes to throw together, a little bit of time in the oven if you have the crust you have to bake, and 4 hours in the refrigerator. But man, this easy and so delicious. Check it out. Look at that. Looks professional, right? You saw me make it. That's as good as it gets, right? Like so easy. All right, you guys, well, if you enjoyed that video, check out my YouTube channel. I do full videos there, but otherwise, we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.